us. And I had to share this in my 1 month journey. I was out in India doing my own little research. I must say, just as I remind myself and remind you, when I went to Darul Uloom, Deoband, that big Darul Uloom with thousands of students, Darul Uloom Waqf, I gave the same message. They asked me to give a message to the scholars, the graduates, the scholars, muftis, sheikhs, imams, and I gave them the same message. Don't waste your time. Don't study for a degree. Say, I'm a sheikh, I'm a mufti, I'm an imam, I'm a hafiz. It's not a show business here. If you came into your institution to study to be somebody, live that life. Don't want to get a sheikh, an imam, and hafiz title only to say I got a title. Live it up, spread the dawah, give the message. Oh yeah. I had a program, I was invited to an India's interfaith independence program. I didn't think they had interfaith that way, brothers. Big, massive. In Saharanpur, India. Actually, you had a member of parliament, you had the MLA. I was presenting an award for the interfaith work I do in America, alhamdulillah, in India, on August 10th, because August 15th was Independence Day in India. Hindus, Muslims, Sikh, everybody came together. You see, sometimes you read some things on the news here, don't believe everything you see here. Fake news. Not everything is real. A lot of fake. I just came from India. I had an interfaith program with Sadhu and Hindu and Pandit and the whole works. They presented me an award for the interfaith work we do here in America. I have the award. You'll see it in Al-Hikmat. All right? I gave an address to all these people on interfaith, on the importance of coming together, Hindus, Christians, Muslims, Sikh, on humanity. The message was onto humanity. How we must live together, how we must work with love and not have hate and all these things negative and all this fight and kill. No, we're in a different time. It's a time to use our brains, not swords and guns. Use our hearts and our brains. I just came from that. If I were here and I heard something else, I don't know if I would have believed, but I've been there. All through India, Bombay, Delhi, all the different villages. Not a problem. Welcome with love and happiness. Interfaith program, Hindus and everybody else. Yeah. So sometimes you got to be careful for fake news. And sometimes you got to just keep on the right path and do what is good. And when you stay on the path and your intention is good to spread the message of God and the love of humanity and unity, Allah will put angels to protect you and guide you wherever you go throughout the world. And that was one of my reasons for this 1 month study research in India. Starting from Darul Uloom, Deoband, where I gave the lecture to all these top hardcore scholars. Some of the most hardcore scholars are Deobandis. I meet half-baked Deobandis and they think, oh, but they're everything. I met the top, their father's father. You understand, Karisha? And I lectured to them with a jacket and a pants and shirt, and they didn't call me kafir. Some of our half-baked Deobandis in America, if they see me with a jacket and a pants, they say, oh, he's a half-baked Deobandi. What's going on? I lectured to their fathers in Deoband, alhamdulillah, just now. Okay, we got to understand how this works. Allah is our Rabb. Do what is right all the time. Proper intention for the pleasure of Allah. For the pleasure of Allah, the Quran.